level of saltwater damage is unprecedented. The priority now is assessing the high voltage battery and structural integrity of the pack.
Basically compromised. We've got steady dripping now that the door is open. The internal damage here is extensive.
As of now, we have extensive saltwater contamination throughout the interior. The main display.
Layers, revealing the extent of the oxidation and metal degradation underneath. This is the front left wheel well. As you can see, the corrosion is severe. We're carefully removing.
As you can see, water is still leaching out. The level of mineralization and particle adhesion here is
The cleaning process is complete, but as you can see, the saltwater exposure caused significant structural corrosion, particularly around the battery housing.
We're starting to tear down the driver's seat. This front bolt is completely seized, so we'll use the impact wrench to break it free and expose the battery connections underneath.
That last one, be careful when we lift it, the frame's compromised. Let's go to the door opening.
Okay, we finally got the rear bench pried loose. The corrosion on these mounts is worse than expected. Now we can finally access the battery connections.
Simply disconnect the wiring and lift the steering column out of the dash.
All right, the cleaning phase is complete. As you can see, the saltwater corrosion is extensive, particularly around the battery housing. Let's get this up on the lift.
All right, the front wheel is off. As you can see, the corrosion here on the suspension mount is extensive. This bolt is completely seized. Okay, the driver's side wheel is finally off. As you can see, the hub is completely seized. We'll need the puller next.
Now that it's clean, the full extent of the corrosion is visible. We're starting the systematic disassembly with the brake system.
Okay, the tension just released.
I've got it now. This strut is completely seized up top. All right, team, phase 3 begins now. The cleaning revealed significant corrosion, especially here at the rear. Let's start to tear down with this wheel. Okay, hit it with the impact.